How to convert PDF to Word in mobile phone. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to convert a PDF file into a Word file using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up the first link and it will take you right here to our online converter, and you have to scroll down a little bit. There are other options available here, but we're going to scroll down and get to PDF to Word. You can see convert a PDF file to doc or the Microsoft Docs format. The PDF to Word converter lets you easily edit your PDF files. Okay, so we're going to select this option. Now all we need to do is we need to upload the file from our mobile phone. So what you're going to do is you can either get from a URL as well, you can get from Google Drive or Dropbox, or you can just choose a file from your, mobile phone. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on choose file. So I have selected a file. It's a PDF file that I had on my mobile phone. So once it's done, it's uploaded. All you need to do is we have some other options such as convert scanned pages will be images. Then we have layout. Then you're just going to click on start and you can see your file is being processed. And there you go. Now we can download our file from here and it is converted into a docs file. Now you can see it says this file like docs. That means it is no longer a PDF file, it is a docs file. Now I can just click on download and it will be downloaded. And this is how you can convert PDF files into Word using your mobile phone. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.